I should get going now.
Without your bow? You don't want to lose it, Georgie. Bill's gonna kill you. Take it, Georgie.